What's up, everybody? So we're here at the warehouse again, getting ready to unbox another bike. Pretty excited about this today. It's a Yamaha this time, and I haven't seen one in person yet, so I'm pretty excited about this. Marcus, what do we got going on today?
Well, today we're going to be putting together a Yamaha Niken. Going to see how this thing looks, see what all the talk is about.
That's right. This thing's got two wheels on the front, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's get started, see what it looks like. Wow, check this thing out. What do you think, Marcus? Is that the crazy looking or what?
Yeah, I think it's the most craziest two-wheel action motorcycle I've seen.
Yeah. I just can't get over that front end though. This is how it comes in the crate. So you got, looks like pretty much everything is already put together, which I can't imagine wanting to put the front end together on this. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Pretty crazy looking. Come see it at Glen Burnie Motorsports.